What inspired you to pursue a career in sustainability?
I have always been passionate about environmental conservation and the intersection of business and the environment. Pursuing a career in sustainability allows me to make a positive impact on both.
What are the most important sustainability challenges facing businesses today?
The most important sustainability challenges facing businesses today include climate change, resource depletion, and social inequality. These issues require a concerted effort from businesses to address and mitigate their impact.
What do you think is the role of sustainability in business strategy?
Sustainability should be integrated into business strategy as a core element. It should inform decision-making across all aspects of a business, from operations to product design and supply chain management.
How do you measure and report sustainability performance to stakeholders?
I use a combination of sustainability reporting frameworks and metrics such as the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, and the Sustainability Accounting Standards Board, SASB, to measure and report sustainability performance to stakeholders. This allows for transparent and standardized reporting.
Can you give an example of how you have successfully implemented sustainability initiatives in a previous role?
In a previous role, I led an initiative to reduce the company's carbon footprint by implementing energy-efficient technologies and processes. This resulted in a 20% reduction in carbon emissions and significant cost savings for the company.
How do you stay current with emerging sustainability trends and best practices?
I stay current with emerging sustainability trends and best practices by attending conferences, participating in industry groups, and reading industry publications. I also network with other sustainability professionals to share knowledge and stay informed.
How do you prioritize sustainability initiatives within a company's broader goals and objectives?
I prioritize sustainability initiatives within a company's broader goals and objectives by assessing their impact on the environment, social equity, and economic sustainability. I then work to identify initiatives that align with the company's core values and have the greatest potential for positive impact.
Can you describe a time when you had to overcome resistance to a sustainability initiative and how you handled it?
In a previous role, there was resistance to a sustainability initiative due to concerns about cost. To address these concerns, I developed a business case that demonstrated the long-term cost savings of the initiative. I also worked to engage stakeholders and build support for the initiative, which ultimately led to its successful implementation.
How do you engage and motivate employees to participate in sustainability efforts?
I engage and motivate employees to participate in sustainability efforts by highlighting the importance of sustainability for the environment and the long-term success of the business. I also encourage employees to come up with their own ideas for sustainability initiatives.
What are your thoughts on sustainable supply chain management?
Sustainable supply chain management is crucial for companies that want to reduce their environmental impact and improve their reputation. It involves working with suppliers to promote sustainable practices and reduce waste throughout the supply chain.
How do you assess the environmental impact of a company's operations?
To assess the environmental impact of a company's operations, I conduct a thorough analysis of the company's energy usage, waste production, and greenhouse gas emissions. This helps to identify areas where improvements can be made to reduce the company's environmental footprint.
Can you describe your experience with sustainability reporting frameworks such as GRI, SASB, or TCFD?
I have extensive experience with sustainability reporting frameworks such as GRI, SASB, and TCFD. These frameworks help to ensure that sustainability data is reported accurately and transparently, which is crucial for building stakeholder trust and credibility.
How do you integrate sustainability into procurement processes?
I integrate sustainability into procurement processes by working with suppliers to promote sustainable practices and reduce waste. This includes incorporating sustainability criteria into supplier selection and evaluation processes.
Can you share an example of a project you led that achieved significant sustainability results?
In a previous role, I led a project to reduce energy consumption in our manufacturing facility by implementing energy-efficient lighting and HVAC systems. This resulted in a 20% reduction in energy usage and significant cost savings.
How do you prioritize stakeholder engagement in sustainability decision-making?
Stakeholder engagement is a key priority in sustainability decision-making. I work closely with stakeholders to understand their perspectives and priorities, and use this input to inform sustainability initiatives and decision-making processes.
Can you describe a time when you had to make a difficult decision regarding sustainability and how you came to that decision?
In a previous role, I had to make a difficult decision regarding the use of a controversial material in our product design. After conducting a thorough analysis of the environmental and social impacts of the material, I made the decision to phase it out and explore alternative materials that were more sustainable and socially responsible.
How do you ensure that sustainability initiatives align with the company's financial goals?
To ensure alignment, I develop a sustainability strategy that outlines the economic benefits of sustainability initiatives and their impact on long-term profitability. I also work closely with finance and operations teams to identify opportunities for cost savings and revenue generation through sustainable practices.
Can you describe your experience with sustainability certifications such as LEED, B Corp, or ISO 14001?
I have experience implementing various sustainability certifications such as LEED, B Corp, and ISO 14001. I have worked with teams to ensure compliance and successful certification, improving environmental performance and enhancing stakeholder trust.
What is your approach to sustainability risk management?
I adopt a comprehensive approach to sustainability risk management, starting with a thorough assessment of risks and opportunities. I prioritize risks and develop mitigation strategies and contingency plans that are integrated into the overall business strategy.
How do you integrate social sustainability considerations into business strategy?
I integrate social sustainability considerations into business strategy by engaging stakeholders and conducting thorough research to identify areas where the company can make a positive impact on society. I develop goals and initiatives that align with the company's mission and values and work with cross-functional teams to ensure their successful implementation.
Can you describe your experience with sustainable energy solutions such as solar or wind power?
I have extensive experience working on sustainable energy solutions, including solar and wind power. I have led projects to assess the feasibility of renewable energy options, develop implementation plans, and manage the installation and operation of sustainable energy systems.
How do you ensure that sustainability initiatives are effectively communicated to customers and other stakeholders?
To effectively communicate sustainability initiatives to customers and stakeholders, I use a variety of communication channels, such as social media, newsletters, and annual reports. I also engage with stakeholders to gather feedback and ensure that communication is clear and transparent.
Can you describe your experience with sustainable product design and development?
I have experience leading sustainable product design and development projects, incorporating life cycle assessments, eco-design principles, and circular economy concepts. I work with cross-functional teams to ensure the successful development and launch of sustainable products.
What is your approach to assessing the social impact of a company's operations?
My approach involves conducting stakeholder engagement, social impact assessments, and identifying key performance indicators that measure social impact. I then work with cross-functional teams to develop strategies and initiatives that address social impact and align with the company's overall mission and values.
Can you share an example of how you have collaborated with external stakeholders on a sustainability initiative?
I collaborated with an NGO to develop a sustainable supply chain program that involved engaging suppliers, conducting audits, and providing training on sustainability practices. This initiative resulted in a significant reduction in environmental impact and improved social conditions for workers throughout the supply chain.
Why is it worth subscribing to our YouTube channel?
By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you will have access to a wealth of knowledge and insights about automation testing from industry experts, which can help you stay ahead of the curve in your career.